Hello guys. Welcome to a new fresh Friday episode of Crypto Milan. Today it's 6th December and we're gonna have a special episode about Hoppy the Frog, guys. Because Hoppy the Frog, it went a little bit down the last weeks, the last period. But I think, guys, that we bottomed out with Hoppy the Frog and we're gonna see some good upside from some good momentum to the upside, guys. I think that's the probability is quite big that that will now happen. So, guys, let's go to the charts of Hoppy because we didn't discuss Hoppy actually for a long time, more than a week. So I thought, guys, it's Hoppy time, it's the frog time. I know that a lot of subscribers are asking for a Hoppy episode, and because we have a lot of Hoppy investors inside the community. So, guys, let's go to the Hoppy charts and let's go see what Hoppy, our favorite son, our favorite dog, it's doing, guys. So, guys, we start with the daily, okay? The daily chart, for me, it looks like that we have some kind of bottom here at the 00012. Why I think that? I will tell you guys. The MACD, guys, it looks perfect moment that the MACD will cross again on the daily. That's important on the daily. It's not on the short time frames. It's on the daily. Guys, when a MACD cross on the daily after a long period, and this is a long period, guys, this is already, we're talking about more than a month. So it's quite in a low point and it's crossing at the low point, guys. That means that the probability is big that the bottom was reached. Guys, we will soon know if this will cross, but it looks very, to me, to my opinion, it looks very much that we're gonna cross this point, and that we're gonna break this point, and that we're gonna see higher prices for Hopi in the short term, guys. Like you also see, it's almost the first green candle. Let's see how it ends today. We have how many hours? 12 hours, 13 hours we have to go before this candle is closed. So then we can get a better indication about it. But until now, guys, it looks very good. It looks quite good. And let's see how much we are actually up from this point of the bottom where we bottomed, guys. We are up. Oh, that's a quite big point. That's like almost 25%, guys. Sometimes you don't see it so much in this daily chart, but it's 25% from the bottom, and that's a quite good point. Quite a big upside that we can have more upside movement, and that could be the bottom, guys. Because a bottom normally it doesn't take too long; it's gonna go fast up, and I think that's a quite good price for Hoppy that it bottomed out. Because like if you go lower than that, then of course Hoppy, I have faith in Hoppy. I think it will go higher in some time, but then it takes some more time. It takes some more period before you're gonna see more upside. But if it happens now, it's I think it's the perfect moment. We are also already in December. The first week of December is almost finished. We go to the second week of December. Normally, the December, guys, it's a quite good month for the meme coins. So let's see how far we can go up. And beside that, guys, we had almost the MRI buy here, but it was like 8. One more, it was MRI buy, but it's also it was MRI buy warning. So it was one candle before the MRI buy, and that's also for me a second confirmation, guys. What also looks good, guys, is the RSI. It's again above the yellow line, and let's see if it this time can keep above. Because the previous two times it went a little bit above and it went down. Let's see if we can stay longer than this above it, and that's also again a confirmation. And what's also is a confirmation, guys, it's that the cash money flow is going up again, and that's also a good indication and a very strong indication. Let's go to the 4 hours if we can see some more in the short term. Like the 12 hours, it's already above the EMA 20 and 50. That's good. We need to keep above it. And this the best situation is that the yellow line crossed the 20 crossed the 50 EMA, guys. That means that we see some bullish momentum. Uh, like this point, guys, at the 30192, it's a critical level of resistance. So when we come at this point and we break through it and we stay above it, that's an extra indication that the bottom was reached. So that's again an extra confirmation. So let's see if that can happen. And the the CMF, it's going good. The MACD, it looks good. So until now, guys, all looks quite good. Let's see the hourly. The hourly looks quite bullish because we are above all moving averages in the hourly, and that's a good indication also. So let's see if this was a little pullback, and from here we push up again, and that will be a second confirmation if we come higher than this point, which you see here, this candles. Let's see one close above 30153. It makes me very bullish. It means we go to the next phase, and that's the 30173, guys. When I said 30173, guys, I mean the price of Hoppy. I mean there is three zeros behind the comma. I don't count the first zero. I mean three zeros and then the price, so that you know it. There is no confusion in that point, guys. So for me, the hourly also looks good, guys. And let's go to the weekly. Like the weekly, guys, even it looks more bullish for me. Why, guys? Because this is how a bottom normally looks like. Because you see, each time we go down, it's just a wick. So let's see if this weekly in 2 days and 13 hours can close even like this or even more green. If this candle it's a green weekly, guys, that means that after 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks we have a green candle, weekly candle, and that's extra bullish. And one thing more, guys, we had here a weekly top. A weekly top in my indication, in my way of trading, it means that we, in a bullish formation, it means that we get four candles pullback. And what we had here, guys, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 4 week, 4 weeks we had a pullback, and it looks like that this is over, guys. That we're gonna see um, higher prices, something like here, and then we're gonna see higher prices for Hoppy. Maybe the next phase is around like 3045, and that's quite good, guys. That's from this point. Let's see. It could be like a 200% from this point, and that's quite good, guys. That's like a 200%, 2 times up. So, for example, if you have $1,000 in it, that will be then 3,000, and that's a good point, I think. So, guys, let's see what Hoppy will bring for us. My probability, guys, I give a 75% chance that the bottom is reached for Hoppy. I think Hoppy will make higher prices. The 25%, it can happen that it can drop, but we will know it very soon, because I already get a confirmation after today because of the MACD of the daily. And beside that, guys, everything looks more bullish than bearish at the moment for Hoppy at this moment of time. And also the 4 week correction in the weekly, it's a quite strong indication, guys. Me personally, guys, I'm strong in Hoppy. I don't sell my Hoppies. I'm still I'm in the top 50 wallets of Hoppy, guys. So I'm a big Hoppy investor, and I believe in Hoppy, guys. I think Hoppy, of course, nothing is perfect. Hoppy sometimes can in the Twitter. I not always agree with Hoppy. I think they could do a little. I think they could do a little bit better. By the way, this is my Twitter, guys. The X. If you wanna follow me on Twitter, it's Crypto Milad, and there you can find me. Let's go Hoppy. Let's go to the X of Hoppy. Let's see what they announced the last times. Okay, this looks like a nice post. This is a post what I like. Okay, this is not too extreme, you know. This is like against PEPE, but it doesn't look so extreme. This is acceptable in my eyes. Posts like this are acceptable in my eyes. There is nothing to worry about. The joke, everybody can laugh about it. It's nothing bad. This one, it's a nice post. This one, everything is under control. Hoppy for December. It's, I think, the Tony Montana imitation. Let's see. This is a good one. Yeah, the last post of Hoppy are not bad at all. This is acceptable. This is acceptable. This is not like too too extreme. This is like, for me, a commercial post. It's the joke. We can laugh about it. It's nothing bad against Deutsch, so that's fine. This is a nice post, guys. The last posters of Hoppy, I like it, guys. I like it. It's not so extreme as what I saw like a couple weeks ago, that they much bullying Deutsch and too much bullying PEPE. Because in my sense, guys, if you want to become in a big exchange, you should not bullying too much other coin what has a lot connection inside the scene, guys. Because don't underestimate Deutsch and PEPE, guys. These teams are strong. This team have strong connections with any exchange. If anybody in the Hopi team watch this video, I will advise, in my experience, like, don't do that too much, because it's just not helping you to grow. It's not helping you to get listed in a big exchange. Big exchanges, they have a team. When you want to get exchanged in a team, in a big exchange, the team gonna check your X, the Twitter of your page. It should be quite decent, guys. It should not be that you um, it's then not too extreme against other coins and not too extreme post. It should be acceptable in the personal, in the world, guys. That's the most important, I think. I think that's also give a more serious picture of Hopi, because I think, guys, Hopi, it's a serious coin. It's not a coin. It's not a pump and dump. It's not a scam coin. The chart, it looks super nice. It looks healthy. It's nothing to worry about. And I think, guys, Hopi can make a lot more bigger moves, in my opinion, if they stop to what I already see, that they did stop to. Maybe they realized, because I also a couple of times sent it a comment inside this under this posts of what I think is too extreme. And maybe they saw it, and maybe they considered it, and they talk, okay, after discussion with the team, they talk, okay, maybe that's it's not so smart what we are doing. It's not the good attention what you want to attract good attention, positive energy, positive and attention, something serious, not something too extreme, what the most people think, okay, what is this for kind of team? Why they post this kind of things? And I think, guys, they are on a good road. I think this is really a good moment to stay positive in Hopi. For all the Hopi believers, for all the Hopi fans, I hope we're gonna see a very fast higher prices. I expect it. And let's see, guys. Let's see if we can soon celebrate the Christmas with Hopi, because, like you guys know, I made a video a month ago about will Hopi be the Christmas man? And in my sense, it will be the Christmas man. Hopi will be the Christmas man, at least our Christmas man for all the Hopi investors. So let's see, guys, if we get disappointed or not. I personally think not. I think Hopi have a good thing to bring for all the investors, for all the believers in Hopi. It's a strong community. It's a nice project, and I think Hopi deserves at least to be in the top 100, guys. So let's see what will happen in the future. I think I gave my opinion. I hope it served for you guys. I wish you all a fantastic Friday, fantastic weekend. And until the next episode, I hope you enjoyed it. Be happy wherever you are in the world, guys, and protect your bags. If you have any questions, any suggestions, please put it in the comments. Always nice to communicate with each other and make a nice community, a nice channel with each other, guys. So, Crypto Milad, guys, I wish you all a perfect Friday. See you all hopefully in the episode, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.